In our earlier video, we said we don't need to add payment for now. Why? We'll see here. So this is the official Meta business page, and you can see if your message category is service, the message rate is 0 rupees. Here I have selected India as country and INR as the currency. You can select currency applicable to you. Also, you can change your country from here and you will see the rate. At any place, service, there is no payment for service category. Now, what is a service category? If your customer has sent you first message, you get a 24-hour window where you can respond to your customer for free. Now, that window is the service window. And we did set up our AI agent to automatically reply. We also went into inbox and sent manual replies. All of that were part of service category. If you remember, one time we hit the 24-hour window because our message, the customer message was older than 24 hours. We could not send a service message. That is when other category of messages comes into picture. Now, everything other than service message is also a template message. We'll talk more about template message later on, but you can see, for example, if your template is a marketing template, then you are charged around 86 paisa per message. Similarly, for a utility message, these charges are 11 paisa. For an authentication message, again, the charges are similar to utility, which is 11 paisa per message. For any of these categories, the 24-hour window is not applicable. And you need to add a payment method on Meta so that Meta can charge you these amounts per delivered message. Coming back to the KIPS portal, you can see the add payment option here. You can click on this. It will take you to business.facebook.com and the business account that you have added. That would be selected. And here you can see in the payment method, no payment method found. If you have, let's say, already added a payment method, then it would look something like this. Coming back to our WhatsApp account that we integrated, since there is no payment method, we go and click on this payment settings. It will take you to a page like this. Just click on edit here. You need to add your business info, especially the tax ID. Once tax ID is verified, that is the only time when you are allowed to add payment, and that would be verified. So click here on edit, fill this information. So I'll add your business name. The business name, you can add the address here, pin code, GST number. This is one of the most important. You if you do not have a GST number, you can add a TAN. But in my past experiences, I have seen without GST, it is really difficult to get that verification from Meta and start using your payment method. So I would highly recommend using a GST number. If you don't have your own GST number, try asking somebody else and put their GST number here. But don't go for TAN. Instead, stick to GST number. Click on this. Uh, Click on yes. You don't need to add a PO number. Just click on save. Once you do this, you'll see this option. We are verifying your tax info. We'll notify you when the review is complete. Okay. And you do see a orange dot. Once this is done, you will start seeing a green dot over here. And till the green dot is not here, you will see as many times you add payment method, but it won't accept. I'll show you right now. So let's say I go here, next, name on card, I select this is the same card that I have already used on my another WhatsApp account. But let's see what happens. So I agree to both. I click on save. Card successfully verified. Done. Another thing you need to take care of is it shows as a backup method. So you would still see your template messages getting failed. You'll have to make it as default so that everything works out fine. But the good thing is now you see this dot is green. So that is a good thing. It got quickly verified, and that is why everything went successful. But at any point in time, if your tax ID is not validated, you will see payment related issues while sending template messages. So to change this backup to default, I'll click on this ellipsis and click on set as default. Done. And now you can see here you'll pay using this attached, and also in the payment method you can see default. You can also click on the payment method and see additional details here. And if you want to see what all payment activity has happened, you can click on this tab and you'll be able to see everything.